Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home insurance with State Farm, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current home insurance needs. Review your existing policy to understand your coverage. Make a list of any recent upgrades or improvements to your home. Consider bundling your home insurance with other policies, like auto insurance. Reach out to State Farm to get quotes for various coverage options. Compare these quotes to your current policy to identify potential savings. Ask about discounts available through State Farm, such as those for safety features or loyalty. Increase your deductible if you can afford to pay more out of pocket in case of a claim. Take steps to improve your home's safety, such as installing security systems or smoke alarms. Submit any proof of safety upgrades to State Farm to secure additional discounts. Review your personal possessions and consider whether you have adequate coverage. Consider whether you need additional policies, like flood insurance or earthquake coverage. Stay informed about State Farm's offers and any changes in coverage options. Regularly reassess your insurance needs as life circumstances change. Maintain a good credit score, as it can impact your insurance rates. Discuss with your State Farm agent any potential adjustments to maximize your savings. By following these steps, you can effectively save on home insurance with State Farm. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.